Again, welcome student to our class of MAMSC Part 2. Today we are going to discuss about history and development of remote sensing in India. The main goal of the Indian space program is to provide operational space services to the nation. Presently, the focus is on satellite communications and remote sensing. The space services needed by the country include telecommunication, nationwide telecast, resource services and management, environmental monitoring, meteorological services, and so on. These services are sought to be achieved through indigenous development of operational spacecraft and launch vehicles. Organizationally, the Space Commission lays down the national policies in all matters concerning space, while the Department of Space, that is DOS, executes those policies through Indian Space Research Organization. Both DOS and ISRO are headquartered in Bangalore. Laboratories of ISRO are spread over the country. The Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, that is VSSC, at Trivantapuram, SAR, that is centers at Sriharikota, ISRO Satellite Center, that is ISAC, at Bangalore, and Space Application Center, that is SAC, at Ahmedabad, Development and Educational Communication Unit at Ahmedabad, National Remote Sensing Agency, that is NRSA, is at Hyderabad, Physical Research Laboratory is located at Ahmedabad, and National Natural Resources Management System, that is NNRMS, which include generation of integrated data and analysis and dissemination of information derived from remote sensing imaginaries, is located. Now let us see the milestones of space feats. In 1969, the Indian Space Research Organization constituted for peaceful exploration of space. In 1972, the Department of Space and Space Communication constituted Airborne Remote Sensing Experiment Committee for surveying Earth resources. In 1975, on 19th April, the first Indian satellite, that is Aryabhat, launched from erstwhile Soviet Union. In 1979, the second Indian satellite, Bhaskara 1, launched from the erstwhile Soviet Union on 7th June. In 1980, the indigenous satellite launched vehicle SLV-3 puts Rohini satellite into orbit from Sriharikota, ranged on July 18. On 1981, Rohini 2 satellite was launched from Sriharikota on May 31. Bhaskara 2 hoisted from the USSR on November 20 for Earth observation. In 1982, INSET A1, the first multipurpose satellite, was launched by USA Delta rocket on April 10. In 1983, Rohini satellite was launched on 17th April from Sriharikota. This satellite carried the solid-state sensor camera for transmitting pictures of the Earth. In 1903 again, INSET 1B, India's multipurpose satellite, hurtled into the space by the USA Space Shuttle Challenger on August 30. In 1984, the first Indian joint Soviet-manned Space Odyssey begins on April 3rd. Rakesh Sharma, the first Indian to undertake the voyage in space. In 1988, the first indigenous built remote sensing satellite IRS-A1 was launched by Soviet Vostok rocket on March 17. In 1988, INSET 1C, the third multipurpose satellite, put into the orbit by Ariane vehicle from Kourou on July 22. In 1990, the INSET 1D, the last in the series of first generation INSET satellite, hoisted into the space by USA Delta rocket from the Eastern Space and Missile Center, Florida on June 12. In 1991, IRS-1B, the second remote sensing satellite launched by the erstwhile Soviet Vostok rocket from Baikonur on August 29. In 1992, Augmented Satellite Launch Vehicle, that is ASLV, successfully launched from Sriharikota on May 22. The ASLV launches 150 kg SRO-C, that is Stretched Rohini Satellite Series, into the near Earth orbit. In 1992, INSET 2B, the first indigenously built multi-utility satellite, hurtled into space by Ariane vehicle from Kourou on July 10. In 1993, INSET 2B, the second indigenous fabricated multipurpose satellite, placed in space by Ariane rocket from Kourou on July 23. In 1994, ASLV-D4 successfully launched from Sriharikota, injecting into low Earth orbit the SROS-C2 satellite on May 4. PSLV-D2, that is Polar Satellite Launched Vehicle, successfully launched from Sriharikota, hurling into a polar sun-synchronized orbit of 870 kg remote sensing satellite IRS-D2 on October 15. In 1995, INSET 2C satellite launched into space from Kourou, French Guiana. In 1997, INSET 2D, launched by the Ariane rocket from Kourou on June 4, and IRS-1D in orbit on October 7. In 1999, INSET 2E, that is last of the second generation, launched on 3rd April, and OceanSat satellite was launched. In 2000, INSET 3D launched from French Guiana from telecommunication purpose on 22nd March. 2001, GSLV D1 was launched from Sriharikota on 15th April. And in 2002, Metasat launched from Sriharikota on 12th September. On 17 October 2003, IRS-P6 resource satellite was launched for Earth observation purpose. On May 2005, Cartosat-1 was launched with PSLV launching vehicle for the purpose of Earth observation. Cartosat-2 was launched on 10th January 2007 with the help of PSLV C7 launching vehicle for Earth observation. Then IMS-1 was launched on April 28, 2008 for the purpose of Earth observation, launched with the help of PSLV C9 launching vehicle. Then Cartosat-2A was launched on April 28, 2008 by PSLV C9 launching vehicle for the purpose of Earth observation. Then on April 20, 2009, RESAT-2 satellite was launched by PSLV C12 launching vehicle for the purpose of Earth observation. OceanSat-2 was launched on September 23, 2009 with the help of PSLV C14 launching vehicle for the purpose of climate and environment Earth observation. Cartosat-2B was launched on 12th July 2010 by PSLV C15 launching vehicle for the purpose of Earth observation. ResourceSat satellite was launched on April 20, 2011 by PSLV C16 launching vehicle for the purpose of Earth observation. Megatropics was launched on October 12, 2011 by PSLV C18 launching vehicle for the purpose of climate and environment Earth observation. Then RESAT-1 was launched on April 26, 2012 by PSLV C19 launching vehicle for the purpose of Earth observation. SARAL satellite was launched on February 25, 2013 by PSLV C20 launching vehicle for the purpose of climate and environment Earth observation. INSAT 3D satellite was launched on July 26, 2013 by Ariane 5 VA214 launching vehicle for the purpose of climate and environment as well as disaster management system. Cartosat 2 series satellite was launched on June 22, 2016 by PSLV C34 launching vehicle for the purpose of Earth observation. Then INSAT 3DR satellite was launched on September 8, 2016 by GSLV F05 launching vehicle for the purpose of climate and environment disaster management system. Then SAC satellite 1 was launched on September 26, 2016 with the help of PSLV C35 launching vehicle for the purpose of climate and environment. ResourceSat 2A satellite was launched on December 7, 2016 by PSLV C36 launching vehicle for the purpose of Earth observation. Cartosat 2 series satellite was launched on February 15, 2017 by PSLV C37 launching vehicle for the purpose of Earth observation. Again, Cartosat 2 series satellite was launched on June 2007 by PSLV C-38 launching vehicle for the purpose of Earth observation satellite. Again, Cartosat 2 series satellite was launched in January 12, 2018 by PSLV C-40 launching vehicle for Earth observation. Then HISIS satellite was launched on November 29, 2018 by PSLV C-43 launching vehicle for the purpose of Earth observation. RISAT-2B satellite was launched by PSLV C-46 launching vehicle for the purpose of disaster management system and Earth observation. Recently, Cartosat 3 satellite was launched on November 2019 by PSLV C-47 Cartosat 3 mission launching vehicle for the purpose of Earth observation. And lastly, RISAT-2B-R1 satellite was launched on December 11, 2019 for the purpose of disaster management system and Earth observation. So student, this was about the list of the satellite which is launched by Indian Space Research Organization from 1970s up to December 2019 for the various purposes of Earth observation, disaster management and climate and environment observation. Thank you.